Yeah, 16th one, right? So let's say if we have not find the ratio, find exact the line segment divided is trisected at the point such that we get a Walaikum salam, walaikum salam. We have just started, right? So 22nd number question is a different, right? 22nd, 23rd. This is a different one, so let us do this. Right. If P also lies on the line given by this, then find the value of this. Okay, so happy New Year to all of you guys, right? And yeah, make a resolution that whatever we have done in 2023, we will try to do that. And so today is 1st of January, right? So you guys should start final resolution.
Sir, there was no class yesterday.
Yeah, there was
Oh, okay.
okay, so let us understand this 20 second. The line segment joining the points A and B. So first, let us write. And I have told you many a times that we should draw the diagram. So here A and B is trisected. So how many equal proportions are there? Three equal right? One and two. So there would be 2 points in between. Right? There will be 2 points and it's trisected by P and Q such that P is nearer to A. So this one is nearer to A, so this is P, and this is Q. So we don't need to find out this Q value. We can ignore this. So what are the ratios if I take this as 1, 1, 1? So P point is 2 comma 1 and P point is 5 comma minus. So if I want to calculate this P point, P coordinate, what are the ratios? What are the
One
ratios?
ratio two.
1 is to, right? So 1 and this is 2. So then we can find out this coordinate which is let's say x, y. So x would be, that would be mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. So this m is 1, x2 is 5, plus n is 2, x1 is divided by 1 plus 2. So then what will be plus 6 plus 4, 5 plus 5 plus 4 by 3. So this is 9 by 3, which is 3. So x is 3. Now what would be y? Y would be my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So m is 1, y2 is minus 8, and n is 2, y1 is 1, divided by 1 plus 2. So this is minus 6 plus 2 divided by 3. So minus 8. Minus 6 divided by 3, so minus 2. Y is minus 2. So this point is how much? This is 3 comma minus 2. So we have done up to this part. We have solved up to this part. Right. Now the next statement. If P also lies on the line given by this thing. So let's say we have this line. So Let's say we have this line, right? This line has some equation, and the equation is x minus y plus k equals to 0, right? So there are all these values of x and y everywhere, right? And if this point is lying on this line also, then what we can do in this equation? This is the whole idea. If this point lies on the given line, then what we can do? Yeah, so 3 comma minus 2 is one of the solutions, right? Then what we can do? Let's say that you have a line, right? If you have a line x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0, right? So let's say if I say that, let's say, so if I say that 1 minus 1 lies on this line, right? And, oh, Aisha has already calculated all that. Yeah, 3 comma minus 2. And q we don't need, right? Such that we have to only find the value of k. So if this point lies on this line, then we can put the value of x and y in here, right? That is what the
Yes,
purpose
sir.
of this. That is what we have to do, right? Okay, so now let us put all these values. What is the equation of 9? X point 3 comma minus 2 lies on the line. X x minus y plus k, right? Then we can put the value of x and y in here. So 2 into 3 minus into how much? Y is minus 2, right? So minus 2 plus k, that is 0. So this is 6 plus 4, right? So this is only minus 5 minus 5. So 6 plus 2 plus k, that is 0. So 8 plus k, that is 0. So k is minus 8 as Aisha got right. So we don't need to calculate Aisha important, right? Because in this question, they have not mentioned to calculate Q, right? They have only mentioned to calculate the value of Q. So we don't require Q, right? Yeah, so is this clear to you guys, Sharma and Rita, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, first we find out the coordinates of P, and this P lies on some line. The equation is, let's say, ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So then we can put the value of whatever, let's say, 1 comma 2 in because this is one of the solution of this line, right? That is what meant by this state. The lies of the line. Please put it down, guys. And the next question, 23rd one, I will ask you guys to stop. 24th one we have done, right? Because these type of question we have done so many times. Okay, what ratio divide the times? Guys, whenever you guys have noted it down, that yeah, guys, noted.
Noted, sir.
Then Shaima, what about you? Noted.
Done, sir.
Yes, then you guys be solve this 23rd question, which is exactly the uh, same steps we have to apply, and yeah, you have to just follow the same steps, whatever we have applied so far, and then you will reach your answers. This 23rd problem. Whenever you guys find the value of k at 23rd, so I guess the rest of the people are enjoying or having the years. Amar was not that. When I was a child, I used to have some picnic with my friends. What did you guys didn't celebrate this New Year? Aisha has put finance to and K. What about
Where I'm getting x is 11 by 4 and y is negative 5 by 4.
So carefully, this is AP by AB, right? That is why diagram is very important. Point. This is A, this is so AP and AB is given. So what would be the thing?
2.
So ratio or M is 1 and it's 2. So you have the same question as right because coordinates are also the same, right? So did you get this one? This question they have written AB by AB, right? So that was the trick. This question. I should twist. Yeah. Did you take the ratio 1 is to 3, Shima?
Yes, sir.
This was. What about you, Amira? This, what about you? Yes, Amira, what about you? Get,
Sir, I'm getting 7 by 4 and minus 20 and
yeah, so you are getting the same answer as Shima, right? So what ratio is different? That is not 1 is to, right? Look carefully. This AP by AP. This is not AP by B. If it would have been AP by BP, then that is 1, and but this is AP by BP. So part of the
so
see
what is
the
the correct answer?
correct answer is this because the question is same, right? If you have the coordinates, you see the coordinates are same and ratios are also same. The previous whatever the previous question was, this is exactly the same question, right? In this question, A and B point are same. B ratio is 1 is to 2, so same question. And this equation is also the same. That is why that is equation.
So what is the value of k?
K is minus 8. Previous question.
Sir, but I'm still not getting y as negative 2.
Why is negative?
Okay, I got my mistake.
Hmm. So figuring out your mistake is very important, right? You can find your mistakes, then that's it. Okay, so let us move on to the next question, right? And I didn't do this problem because the steps, the question is exactly the same, similar question. Values are same, equation of line same, and the ratio 1 is to that is also same. So that's why I'm not. Yeah, it is. But this point was what AP by AP. This was not by B. So we have to write AP by B. That would be one. Yes. It is. On next question. Next question, what I will do is that I will ask you guys to solve this one because this problem we have done before, and then we will x squared plus y squared. Now we are getting now we are getting but let us quickly. Let us quickly this 24th problem because this we have done. So you guys quickly solve this one and tell me what is the answer that you like. Solve this 24th one because in the previous class talked about this thing. There's problems. I shall a equals to 1. Then find the length of its sides. This is what we have got, right? If we find A, B, and what I shall what about yes, guys, both AB and students, that is not a paragraph, right? Then we are getting A, B, C. This means that this is not a parallelogram, maybe square, rectangle, four. Then this is a rhombus or square, right? But rhombus is not parallel. That is a square. Yes, what about guys? Shaima and Ira got stuck at some point?
No,
No,
sir,
sir,
sorry.
doing it.
Yes? Yeah, so both of you guys have it in state. Yeah, yes, what did you guys yeah, you guys are stuck at this is the parallelogram, right? Always remember in the parallelogram type of question, we have to use the section formula. So in the last class, we saw that if we use this distance formula, then it will be very lengthy and will not get the answer if we don't have any third equation, right? You only have two equations, so we'll not get the answer. You have to use the section formula, right, guys? Yes. So did you guys get the answers? Yes, Sharma and Nafisa, did you guys get the answers or did you guys? So we have to draw. So we have to draw the diagonal, and let's say oh, now they have given A. So let's say
Sir, I got A as 1
yeah,
and B as 1.
Okay. Okay. So you are getting the same answer. And what about Sharma? You got stuck in this question. So X, let us find this X from AC, right? X would be minus 2 plus 2 by 2. This one, right? Or let us write 2 by 2. X is 2 by 2. And from BD, right? From BD, X is A plus 1 by 2. So then we can compare these two things. So 2 would be A plus 1 or 2 by 2 is A by A is 1. This is from AC and BD. Now again from BD. From BD, Y is 1. Y is plus 0 by 2. And from AC, Y is B plus 1 by 2. So again, we compare these two things, right? So get by 2 is B plus 1 by 2. So B is, yeah, so where did you get stuck, Shaima? Yes, this is the question that we have done last class, right? I guess, did you use that distance formula? Uh, This could be stuck if you use that. Yeah, and if we have this A is 1, so then AB would be how much? AB would be 1 plus square plus 1 square. This is 3 square, 9 plus 1, 10. And then BC is how much? BC is 4 minus 1 square and 1 minus 0. This is also 10, right? Okay, then this is not a parallelogram, right? This is a parallelogram, but this is a special type of parallelogram. Because opposite sides of parallelogram. Okay, so this was the question, right? Sharma, did you understand this problem, Sharma?
Sir, can you explain it again?
Oh, so yeah, so what did we do? Yeah. What did we do? We know that the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, right? That so let's say we draw these two diagonals. These are the diagonals of parallelogram, and this would be the midpoint of this line. This would be the midpoint of this line, BD. So this point is common to this AC and B. Right? Let's say this is O. So this one. So we calculate the midpoint from, let's say, AC. So let's say we calculate the x coordinate of AC. So that would be how much? That would be x1 plus x2 by 2. Right? So minus 2 plus 4 by 2 is by 2. Right? Right, Shaiba?
Yes, sir.
And then the same point we calculate from BD. So again, this is the midpoint. So midpoint is what? X1 plus x2 by 2. So x1 plus x2 by 2. And we know that these are the same points. So this is the same x point from this side, and this is the same x point from this side. So the left hand sides are equal, which means that right hand side should also be. If we compare, y2 should be equal to a plus 1 by 2. So we'll get a part. Similarly, we calculate y, which is y1 plus y2 by 2. So 3 plus 1 by 2. And 0 plus 2 by 2. So 2 by 2. So again, we get this is the equation that we have done previously, right? Shaima. So now we understand this thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, because these type of question in section formula, they always yes, hello, Amin, assalamu alaikum. But only 15 minutes of class is right. Hello, Amin, can you hear me? You were not at your home, I guess, right? That's why you couldn't. Because I talked to Amar and he was also at some other place. Right. And now let us, yeah, do this 26th one, right? So if the point divides internally the line segment joining the points in the ratio 3 to 4, find the value of x squared plus y squared, right? So in this question, we have to find, so step by step. First, we have to find this x and y, and then we have to find this x squared plus y squared. So if we can find these things out, then this would be easy. So let us find that. So what are the points? If the point, right? So if the point C, which is 1 minus 2, divides internally the line segment joining the points A, which is 2 comma 5, B, which is x comma 1, right? So remember, this is x1, x2, y1, y2, right? And this is the coordinate that we calculate. Ratio is 3. And so if we calculate this thing, minus 1, so minus 1 would be how much? This would be m, right? M is how much? 3 into x2. In our case, x2 is x, right? Plus n x1, which is 2, divided by 3 plus this is how much? Minus 1 is 3x plus 8 divided by 7. This is minus 7 and 3x plus 8. So 3x is minus 15. So x is minus 9. Similarly, we can calculate this part, right? Let us write it. Y coordinate, we should write y coordinate of C1. This would be m y2. So m y2 is y plus n, which is 4, y1, which is 5, divided by 3 plus this would be this would be 7 into 40 and 3y plus 20. This is 40 minus 20 is y. Minus 6 is y. Y is minus 2. So this was the primary x and y. And now we have to find out the value of x squared plus y squared. So that would be how? That would be minus 5 square plus minus 2 square. This is 25 plus 4, so that is 20. So x squared plus y squared, that would be 20. Is it clear, everyone, who got this correct? Who got, Abir got this correct? Yes, is it clear? This was a simple question, right? These are steps you guys already know, and this was the extra information that we have. So is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, then please note it down, and yeah, similar questions are there, so we'll skip that. And guys, please note it down. This chapter,
Done,
okay?
sir.
Yeah, yeah. Aisha and so remember what is given, right? Always try to find out that what is given, and yeah, what is the information.
Correct, sir.
Done. Yes, Aisha, what is done?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Seventh one is find the coordinates of such that I, I same question that we have done previously. So in this question as well, right? They have given, so this is a point minus 2 minus 2. This is b, and some b point is there. So they have given what they have given, that AP by AB, that is 3 by 7. Right, so they have taken this AB here, so we take this AB here. This is what they have, which means that they have given AP, which is 3, and they have given this thing, which is 7. This would be 4, right? Now we have M, which is 3, N, which is 4, and we have to find out this quadrant. So then you can calculate. I will skip this question, guys. Please try this one. And this was the only thing that was important. And this type of question, just questions before we have done this, right? This is clear, right, guys? This you already knew. Now, if you see this question, right, this is same question, AB by A by 5, same question. This is same question, but another information which they have given, that this lies on 3x case, right? Sometime. So you guys please try this question, then you guys will understand. So guys, please try this 29th problem and tell me what is the answer that you guys have. This is the same question. First, make a diagram, then write all the information, then calculate uh, a point, because we have to find if P point A lies on the line segment, that if point B also lies on line. This is a simple question. They have, yeah. I guess this question is not correct because if we go by the question, then what would be the answer? Okay, if we go by the question. Yeah, go by the question, what would be the answer? Because we don't need this information. We also need this information. If we want to find out K, then what would be the value of K? Tell me guys. Carefully read the question. What point is lying on the line?
Sir, K is 18 by 5.
18 by 5. Shy. What about you guys? Remember, point B lies on the line. Yes, Aisha and Amira. Carefully this question, right? If we go by this question, K is 2. K is 2. Aisha, you are getting A, which is minus, and K, you are getting 2. Guys, I just carefully read the question I mentioned, right? You don't need to calculate this A point. This is given BA by BQ, and BQ is 5, so this is C. P is 6 minus 6, and Q is minus. And in the question, they have said that this line passes through this point. This is the point, right? So then, if we already know this value, we don't need to calculate this thing. We don't need to calculate the coordinates as well. So if we put this
So then I
coordinate,
did a mistake.
yes, yes. So that is why I was saying that carefully, right? And 6 plus k and y is minus 6. That's
Sir, K is minus 4 by 3.
by 3. How are you getting that? Yeah. So did you put this value in x and y, Amira? Yes.
No, sir. Let me check.
Yeah. This is equal to 85. Yeah, maybe this could be a misprint or whatever, but if we go by this question, then this would be the right answer. If we say that point A also lies in this line, then we need this coordinate, right? If point A lies on this line, whatever, right? So then we have to calculate this A coordinate. But from this question, we only require this. Yes, is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Yes, everyone. Yes.
So, sir, you have put the coordinates like in the equation. You have put the coordinates of P, right? 6
Yeah,
and minus 6.
yeah, because they are saying that if point P, right? point B. Point B lies on that. So then,
Oh, okay. Okay, sir.
so then we have to put the coordinates of point X. Okay, so then let us right, and let's this you guys have already right, this is not that point. And in the next class we will start trying. But you guys also your part, right? Make a timetable, fix daily that how many chapters you want to complete in one day. So let's say you want to complete one chapter from physics, one chapter from 6th January. Okay, yeah. Yes, then you please practice all the portions, right, Sharma? And whatever chapter you want to discuss, like whatever topic, please, and whatever the question that you have. So, yeah, you guys, you have already those sample papers, right? Everybody has sent those sample question papers. You can go through that, right, Sharma? Practice these examples. Okay. Okay, so then all the questions are the same, right? To find the ratio in which y divides the line segment, all these are repetitive. Parallelogram, again parallelogram. So they can ask what are the kinds of questions that you can get from section. One would be that they will say that x-axis or y-axis is dividing the line. Or they will ask you about parallelogram, or they will ask you about, let's say, ratio, right? Or they will give a trisection, let's say, for four equal parts. All these kinds of questions, right? And yeah, sometimes they will also give you by parts. These are the things that you have to, right? I guess all the type of questions we have done. So we'll stop at here, and in the next class, I'll start trying, right? And in the meantime, Sharma, if you have any doubts as well, please. Okay, guys, yeah, please solve these questions, right? So I'll send you guys some books. Just 40 is 139 and 40 is all these questions I'll send guys. You guys please solve this. So, Allah Hafiz, guys, and see you guys in the next class.
Allah Hafiz, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
Love, sir.